Yeah, they have split lips and they're more agile. And so they're able to get their lips around things more, and so they're willing to eat thorny things as a result of that. Whereas cows, they don't have that flexibility with their jawline, so eating that type of brush is painful to them. So,
Interesting.
and they must have a different digestive system that they can eat more brush than other animals. And these are meat goats, and they're typically a Spanish boar, a Pico, a Savannah, or a cross.